we are going to talk about conjunctions. So conjunctions are used to connect things. They could either be used to connect to show how things are the same, to connect to show how things are different, or to connect to show choices. But regardless, conjunctions connect two thoughts. So the coordinated conjunctions that you'll be working on in your lesson, we talk about our fanboys. That's the easiest way for us to remember it. If you remember fanboys, each one of those letters stands for a coordinating conjunction. So for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So you've got 7 coordinating conjunctions. Think of fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So when you're given 2 sentences or 2 thoughts, you can combine those into one sentence using a fanboy. So we have this example. We could go to the park. We could go to the pool. But we could use the coordinating conjunction. We could use one of these fanboys, and we could make that one sentence, make it more concise. So we're going to try our fanboys. We're going to try and see which one sounds best. We could go to the park. For, we could go to the pool. Well, that doesn't make any sense. We could go to the park, and we could go to the pool. Well, we could, but it's asking if we want to make a choice between we can only go one place. That's not going to be the best option. We could go to the park, nor we could go to the pool. That doesn't make sense. We could go to the park, but we could go to the pool. Still doesn't make sense. We could go to the park, or we could go to the pool. Well, that might be getting somewhere, but let's check our last 2 just to make sure there's not a better option. We could go to the park, yet we could go to the pool. Not quite. We could go to the park, so we could go to the pool. Still doesn't make sense. So our best option was or. So when we rewrite that sentence, we would write it, we could go to the park, or we could go to the pool. Now we have shown that it's an option, but we've taken those 2 sentences and we have put them together with a conjunction to make one sentence. It can also be used to, so the last one, we can go to the park or we can go to the pool, that shows choices. We can also use conjunctions to combine. So we have, my friend went to the store, I went to the store. Well, look at this. Went to the store, went to the store. We don't really need that twice in a row. That's not really concise. It's not really needed. But we can smush that together and think of the fanboy. My friend went to the store, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. We know this is a who, this is a who. We could combine that, my friend, and I went to the store. So our conjunctions can combine thoughts. They can also make our writing more concise. So remember your fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, they help to either show comparisons, to show how things are different, or to combine sentences and make them a little shorter.